Brian Spark surpassed my expectations, I believe, because, normally I'm not a huge fan of the Cars restock cars. Or at least compared to the Cars 1 stock cars, or the next gens even, but, this man right here, Brian Spark, has, as I just said, has surpassed my expectations, because, he's not identical to Claude Scruggs, but you don't really expect him to be, do you? Besides if you're nitrate, of course, because Phil Tankson and Aiken Axler share a near identical paint job, yeah? But that was case exception, okay? Case exception. Because you can't mess with perfection. And as the saying goes, if it ain't broke, then don't fix it. And Claude Scruggs were never broken, or at least in terms of design, if that makes sense. But overall, Brian Spark is just a really good, really solid, really. What's another one? What's another Gen Z word? Really super, really awesome, really sick. Let's have a closer look at him. So he is the Bobby Swift model. I think some other examples include Tommy Highbanks. Who else? T.G. Castlenut. No, I'm thinking. Yeah, Brick Yardley model. No, actually that's a lie. I think it's actually the Brick Yardley model. Or is he? I think he is actually, but still, leakless logo on the bonnet. It's got a little drip effect using the also on the bonnet. He appears to be the drips, the black bit appears to be brown. Kind of the same thing with Tim Treadless in a way. Yeah, because the black appears brown. Don't know why, but it just does. So, number 52 and Lightyear tyres. With was that black rims, grey rims? I don't know, dark coloured rims. 52. Leakless logo. On the back is not really a lot. So I would have liked a little black stripe here where it says adult drip pans. That would have been nice. I'd like that. Give it some contrast, Still, also have another 52, another big leakless logo, or big what's it called? The spoiler. It is a spoiler, isn't it? I can never tell the difference between a spoiler and a wing. I'll have to do my research. See you later, folks.